Formula One is the cornerstone of our nutrition solution, and we sell our products all around the world. We're really on a journey of increasing the sustainability in our product packaging. As we innovate, we think about the environment. It is not an afterthought. It is something that's core to how we are going to develop new product solutions. One of the things that we're really excited about is how we're including recycled materials in our Formula One product canisters.
PCR is post-consumer resin. It originates from people recycling packaging like we all do at home. That recycled packaging goes to resin producers who break it down and create pellets, which can be then sent to our molder, who then converts it into canisters by doing a process called extrusion blow molding. By adding PCR to our flagship product, it shows Herbalife Nutrition is committed to going on a journey of sustainability.
Not only are we using less new plastic material, but we're also putting less waste into the system.
What's fantastic about PCR is that it could be recycled again. We're reducing our carbon footprint and we're impacting future recyclability.
Given the reach of our company, we have the ability to mobilize millions of people into becoming change makers in their own communities and doing better for the environment.
You feel like you're working on something very important.
I'm proud to work for a company that's making these efforts, and we're just getting started because we're going to expand that around the world so that we can make the biggest impact.